Today I'll be unboxing the Kingston kitchen and bath faucet. Let's take a look inside. This is definitely one of my favorite faucets that we have worked with. I'm so excited to show you the entire thing. Just take a look at this little preview that we've got on this manual that Kingston provides us. I love it. It definitely fits a rustic industrial finish type of room. Here we have the drain. This is a small drain. In our case, we will have to be using a bigger drain, but I'll show you what this looks like. In case you're using it for a bathroom, this fits perfectly, or if your kitchen or bar has a smaller hole for the drain, this fits perfectly. Look at that beautiful oil rubbed bronze finish. The edges almost look like copper. I love it. This here is the plate for the faucet. I don't necessarily like using the plates, but this one in particular is actually very nice to be used. And here is my favorite piece of all. Let's take a look at this beautiful. It's actually bigger than I thought. Look at that swivel. It's like a pirate ship steering wheel, I swear. The neck definitely moves. It's very sturdy, so it takes a little bit of strength, not much, but it's not much that you have to move. The swivel is so smooth when you move it, and it has that copper finish on the edges just everywhere. The oil rubbed bronze is brushed, so if you look at it closely, you can see the little scratches of copper. It's beautiful for any rustic, industrial, modern type of room. And that is the Kingston faucet.